This phantom wallet right here, $7.9 million. It did not come from trading, but it came from launching meme coins the smart way. Stick around, I'm about to show you exactly how this strategy prints consistently. Now, I used to be a meme coin trader. I'm pretty sure 99% of all of you guys watching this video are all traders. Now let me tell you why every single one of you guys will all lose your money. Because back when I was trading meme coins, every single time I bought inside a coin, it felt like a trap. I'd buy in and then boom, it would dump on my head, and guess who is winning in this scenario? It is not the traders, but it's the devs, okay? You guys have to understand that becoming a dev is way more profitable with lower risk than being a trader. Okay, because launching gives you full control over the timing, the supply, and the entire narrative. You are the creator, so you control everything. Okay, by the way, you risk absolutely nothing by becoming a dev because creating coins is completely free. Okay, you're creating coins, waiting for buyers, and when the market cap is really high, you simply just cash out and boom, you profit some bread. And that's exactly why in today's video, bro, regardless of the market, I will be doing a live example on how to create your very first Solana token on the blockchain and then print some generational wealth. Okay, I'm able to turn $0 into 2K every single day with this exact strategy, so keep watching, bro. This is going to be generational. And by the way, bro, everything you will guys see in today's video is purely for educational purposes only. This isn't financial advice, so you know, it's all AI, it's all fake. Now, the most frequently asked questions in my DMs on Discord, on Telegram, on X, right, is where do I launch my meme coins? Now, most people will launch their meme coins on Pump.Fun, but let me tell you why Pump.Fun is not worth your time. First of all, Pump.Fun is overloaded. There's too many tokens launching and not enough visibility for all these coins. So if you launch a meme coin, bro, you won't make any money because it's too oversaturated. On top of that, Pump.Fun takes a cut of your supply and holds them against your will. On top of that, they take a cut out of the creator fees, and your coin has to reach a $85,000 market cap for it to be migrated directly onto the Radium DEX, which takes too long, bro. It's almost impossible for your coin to be migrated onto the Radium DEX without any boosts or without any eyeballs. That's exactly why I completely switched to create coins.io, because create coins.io lets your coin launch straight onto the Radium DEX, where it instantly graduates and becomes trade ready in seconds. Okay, on this launchpad, bro, all your meme coins will be immediately migrated and viewed to tens and thousands of traders live on the spot, bro. Okay, a bunch of devs are actually gatekeeping this website, but I am making this video because, bro, you guys cannot skip this video. Okay, it's actually fucking insane. By launching here, bro, you get real buyers, real volume, and actual potential right from the start. I will even do a live example. Now, there's two different methods to launch a meme coin on chain. The first method is to create a brand new coin from scratch. So you're basically finding a narrative and then making a name, symbol, and image for that meme coin. So go on X, for example, it's already pulled up, and look for a narrative that is decent. It could be literally anything, right? From Elon Musk tweets, Trump tweets, just anything, right? Just go for something that is viral, or, you know, it does not have to be viral. It could be a community coin. Anything, right? Once you have a good narrative, bro, come back to create coins.io, invent a quick name, add a quick symbol, then add a quick image, and just like that, your meme coin is live and running custom made. But the second method to make a meme coin is actually the most profitable shortcut, and that's by copying trending coins. Now, these tokens already have a hype and traffic, so when you copy them, you get instant buyers and faster momentum because the attention is already there. I love copying coins, and this is personally what I do every single hour to make my money. I will do a live example. Okay, let's move on. I'm going to launch a coin right here, and you guys will watch the entire process unfold step by step. I will be copying a coin, and then we will see how much we make by the end of this video. First of all, make sure you connect your Phantom wallet, right? It's really easy. Then click on refresh this to have all the new coins pop up in front of you, and just choose one. Okay, just choose one. If you only make a couple $100, just go for another one and another one until one goes viral. I am going to copy the Fuzozo coin. It has a last buy 2 seconds ago, which is not bad. Click on create coin. Ignore the block, right? Click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm, and then the coin should be created in a couple seconds. 3, 2, 1, boom. If I go on scan, you guys can see that it is live on chain 9 seconds ago. Everything works, it's all legit. But anyways, now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this part's really easy. We're just adding liquidity, and right there instantly your token becomes tradable on Radium the moment it goes live. We're just setting up the first buy and the supply for our coin. Now right here, right, for the amount token A, just make sure you click on 90%. That is going to drop 900 million tokens, right? You are keeping 10% in your dev wallet. Right under for the amount token B, think of this as your first buy that kicks off your chart. You are not spending so permanently, it is just powering up the pool. All you need here is at least 0.3 SOL, and later on when the liquidity is removed, that SOL returns straight to your wallet. Okay, so you will get this back later because you are the creator of the coin. Now here I am going to put 0.32 SOL, just a bit more to be safe, right? And once again, bro, you are gonna get this back later. Then click on create pool. And after that, you should be able to click on confirm. When that is done, bro, click on the refresh button down below right here. Scroll down and boom, the Fuzozo coin is on live. Our profits/losses are going to pop up right here, right? Now for the best part of this method, bro, click on refresh right here. And you guys can see that we just went up to $128 in profits because people, okay, are buying inside our coin on the migrate section, okay? Real people are actually buying our coin. That is why copying coins is so fucking gatekept. Now click on view on Photon to see the official chart. Let me go on full screen for a better view of the chart. And now the coin is live, bro. Let's fucking go. Come on, pump. What the fuck happened, bro? We're already up like 140 bucks right here. Come on. Things are looking good. 1.7k market cap, okay? The transactions might be a bit slow at the beginning, okay? But just trust the process. Oh my god! We just made 100 bucks right here in a second, bro. Just like that. Oh my god, $127, bro. Let's fucking go! Baby, let's go, bro. This is why I love deving coins, and this is why I will continue to do this over and over again. It's so untapped, bro. Because, bro, everyone is trading, but only 1% of people are deving, and that is why it's so profitable. You guys gotta tap in. Come on, pump. Okay, $32. You know, I'm going to leave this coin run for a bit, and when I am back, I will show you guys how to cash out profits. So be right back.
I just caught a dub with some thugs, rock belief. I just caught a dub with some thugs.
Okie dokie guys, I am back and we are pushing $5,000 in market cap. It was a bit high, but then it went a bit down and now it's coming back up. But anyways, we have 1.8k in liquidity. Now, if you want to make some money, bro, come back to createcoins.io first of all. Then obviously, bro, make sure you click on the refresh button to check your real-time profits, right? Now, as you guys can see, we're up $49,000 in profits, which is like 11 SOL, which is not bad for a couple minutes into this coin, okay? And then when you are ready to make some money, bro, click on the minus button, do 100%. Let me just check, okay? Click on remove money right here, and just wait. As you guys can see, bro, we're going to receive around 11.5 SOL. Click on confirm. And boom, that's exactly how you dev meme coins and make some quick fucking cash. Now obviously, bro, this was all for educational purposes only. Now if I open my wallet, you guys can see that we just received $1,500 straight inside my Phantom wallet without any fucking delays, okay? Now obviously, bro, I am grateful. I do this every single day, and that's exactly how I make all my money. And if you want to win 3 SOL like this guy right here, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and join my free Telegram group and Discord group down below for a chance to enter and for all the details.